Most people approach trading as an event, a phase, a temporary attempt. They enter expecting a result, not a process. But trading does not behave like an opportunity. It behaves like a project. Projects are not judged by their first outcome. They are judged by how they evolve over time. Welcome to the Phantom Trader world, where clarity comes before execution. In trading, progress is rarely visible in the beginning. Learning feels slow, results feel inconsistent, and effort does not always translate into reward. This is where many people quit, not because trading is impossible, but because they expected it to behave differently. A long-term project is built in phases. First comes exposure, understanding how markets move, how uncertainty feels, and how emotions react under pressure. Then comes structure, rules, risk limits, boundaries that protect survival. Only after that, performance starts to stabilize. Most traders reverse this order. They chase performance first and try to add structure later. That reversal creates frustration. Long-term traders think differently about time. They do not measure success by days or weeks. They measure it by consistency across cycles. They understand that drawdowns are not interruptions. They are part of the system. Every serious project has periods of stagnation, plateaus, moments where effort continues, but visible progress slows down. Trading is no different. The danger appears when short-term thinking enters a long-term activity, overtrading, forcing opportunities, increasing risk to accelerate results. These behaviors are not signs of ambition. They are signs of impatience. Professional traders treat their trading activity the same way builders treat foundations: slow, intentional, and protected. They focus on maintaining capacity, mental, financial, and emotional. Because without capacity, no project survives long enough to mature. Trading does not reward intensity. It rewards durability. This is why many profitable traders look unremarkable. They are not chasing moments. They are managing continuity. When trading is viewed as a long-term project, losses stop feeling like failure. They become feedback. Progress stops being emotional. It becomes measurable. And decisions stop being reactive. They become deliberate. Trading becomes sustainable the moment time is treated as an ally, not an enemy. If this video added clarity to how you see trading, support this work. An interaction tells the algorithm this foundation matters. A subscription tells me to keep building it with you.